Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up at Perplexity AI using the mobile application. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Once you open up the application, you will be redirected to this page. From here, you can simply sign up or sign in using your Google account, email account or SSO. Simply select whatever you wish. For now, I'm simply gonna select Google and choose my account. And guys, as you can see, I have selected my account. Now all I need to do is give my confirmation. I'm just gonna click on continue. And guys, that is it. As you can see, we have signed up to Perplexity AI using the mobile application. Well, that is it guys. That's how we sign up to Perplexity AI using mobile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.